Hebetona, have you guys heard? Craziest story ke sana. Veteran actor Bongani Gumede is suing retail giant Pick and Pay for 1 million rand for being injured by a trolley, guys. I know the story sounds crazy, but this is what happened. He tripped over a trolley inside one of their stores. And what kind of a trolley was this, guys? Really, I'm out here thinking, did the trolley maybe run right in front of him? Or did he not see the trolley? Or the trolley was just demon possessed on that day? Apparently, guys, he filed the claim in November 2024, citing negligence from Pick and Pay, and he is seeking compensation for pain, emotional trauma, loss of dignity, and medical costs. Guys, you know I will never bring you fake news. This has been covered by City Express, News 24, which are big reputable publications. Guys, I am really in disbelief, and the internet, okay, we are all flabbergasted. Hi fam, welcome to Pop Culture Daily News Ninjani. It's important, guys, to exercise your rights, because now Bongani can be 1 million rand richer. And no, I don't think he's faking this, because there has been medical costs of around 350,000 because of this tragic accident. People are saying at least he's not begging for money. He's not begging for people to donate. At least he found a way he can make quick money, I guess. But you guys, Nina Akesana, people are saying indlala ayidlali. People are being creative out here. I wonder what Pick and Pay policy says about this, but I know that you can sue a store if you can prove that your injury was as a result of their negligence. I'm just picturing in my head, guys, how this might have happened. How did he fall and lose his dignity on the ground? Oh my God, Madala Betona. Oh man, Ubabu Bongani. He is really an old man, Kaloko, a veteran in acting. How can you leave that trolley there for him to trip on it? How dare you, Pick and Pay? How dare you? You know what? I'm interested to know how the court deals with this one and what the verdict will be. If he dare wins, guys, if he dare wins this case, we will be out here suing Sana. We are all going to be rich. Do you see how ShopRite trolleys are just negligently left all over the store, especially during month end? We're gonna be tripping, guys. We're gonna be tripping and falling, Sana. What are your thoughts regarding this situation? Leave your thoughts in the comments, and as always, hit that like button and stay subscribed. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye.